Have you ever wished to save money for a trip to Europe, a new car, or something large you can't afford at one time? After that, you understand just how money has the magical capability to disappear overnight right after payday. However, it looks like the Japanese know the secret to make it stay in your wallet much longer, as well as even increase there. Before we get involved in the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, drop a like and share it with your friends and family. The Kakeibo method of budgeting is expanding popular all over the world as well as for a good reason. Why listen to the Japanese? 100 years earlier, Japan was a traditional agricultural country. Nothing like how we know it now. No robots. Just how did it manage to become one of the most technology-savvy countries with a developed economy as well as of the highest living standard? One of the reasons is the high monetary capacity of the Japanese themselves. They are expert in personal finance. They use Kakeibo, which indicates they don't buy that third handbag in 2 months and manage to save around 35% of their earnings. Sound good? Then prepare to take notes. Kakeibo translates to household account book. It's a notebook where you write down your income and also expenses. Long before any financial app or digital tablets appeared, the Japanese had the system of writing up a budget plan, and it keeps working today. The idea of the saving tool is to track just how much you earn and spend in detail. Its actual target is to enhance your savings. Looks simple? It is. No apps, no technologies, no complicated calculations. That's the point. You rule out everything that's not necessary and concentrate on your habits and decisions. This is exactly how Fumiko Chiba, the author of the book Kakeibo, The Japanese Art of Budgeting Saving Money, explains the efficiency of the method. Kakeibo appeared in 1904 and expanded popular, thanks to the first woman journalist in Japan, Hani Motoko, who sold it to a massive audience. Chiba says that even though Japan is still a traditional country in many ways, Kakeibo gave women liberty to control over financial decisions. Lots of books, magazines and articles devoted to Kakeibo are published in the country every year. Kakeibo fans know that affordable budgeting assists you conserve money. Instead of thinking about things that you can't afford, you switch your attention to what's essential as well as what you can spend your money on. Kakeibo is based on 4 main questions. Number 1, how much money do you have? Number 2, how much would you like to save? Number 3, how much do you spend? And number 4, how can you make things better? To draw up a Kakeibo style budget plan, you will require 2 notebooks, a big as well as a small one. You can buy special Kakeibo journals, but any kind will certainly work. You will make use of the large one to write down your income and plan expenses and savings. As for the small one, you will be carrying it around with you to record all the spendings in real time, so you don't forget a single cent. Using the small notebook is easy. You make a note every time you spend cash. You can recognize the big notebook as you wish, but it must be reflect the following points. Point number 1, a monthly income plan. It can be done as a table or a bullet list. You will need to record all the money you get as earnings. Advance payment, salary, debt return, the money you receive from selling a second-hand laptop, etc. At the beginning of the month, you place the income you know for sure you will get into the table. You can add notes regarding the extra money in a different color or the block letters. Point number 2, a monthly savings plan. You write down just how much cash you would like to place in a money box or a saving account. It's crucial to choose this account before you begin planning your expenses. Point number 3, a monthly expenses plan. Here you write down your usual expenses, utility bills, house rent, mobile and internet bills, the money that's left after you deduct common expenses, and the sum you want to save should be divided right into 4 categories. Number 1, expenses on living. Here you include food, household cleaning products, clothes, medicine, gas or subway pass and so on. Number 2, culture and education. Courses, training, tickets to museums and also books will undoubtedly fall into this category. Number 3, entertainment. Having fun will be recorded too, as well as this might be the black hole eating up your money. This includes meeting with friends, movies, short trips, restaurants, cosmetics and clothes you don't need. You may argue that a person cannot survive without an additional lipstick and 5 pairs of jeans. Number 4 is the others. It's for everything else that had not been pointed out in the last 3 categories. It's up to you to decide on the ratio between the 4 categories. If you plan carefully, it won't be challenging to stay within limits throughout the month. At the end of each month, you will analyze if you have managed to follow the plan and save or spend extra money. It will permit you to draw up an even more exact budget for the next month and see what spendings needs to be corrected. Even if you don't have a big plan to save much, you will see where most of the money goes. For example, you might invest too much in food. How can you spend much less? You might think of avoiding lunch at a restaurant and cooking in your home instead of getting your dinner. You will be surprised at just how much you can save on tips only. If a shopping spree is your favorite hobby, you will need to deal with the figures when you write down everything you buy. Half of the joy goes away when you have to record your expenses. If you think huge and are already driving a new car in your dreams, right here are some other methods that will assist you conserve more. Number 1. In the evening, put all the odd money that you have got in your pockets in a money box. What seems like a handful of coins will undoubtedly turn into a solid amount at the end of the month. Number 2. Put all the return dates into a money box. It's not an income. You just get back the cash that was taken away from you previously. After all, you have managed to live without it all this time. Number 3. When you're changing money, put a small amount into a money box. $1 or $2 are enough, and later they will turn into a more significant amount. Number 4. Each time you buy something, round the sum up. If you have a $74 bill, round it to $100 and put the other $26 into a money box. It's a fantastic tool that will permit you to save daily. Number 5. Work out a system of penalties on your own. You can punish yourself financially for bad habits like skipping the gym or having an argument with a partner or friend. Each time, put $1 in your money box. If that's not enough motivation, let it be $10. But don't be too harsh on yourself. You will take advantage of this anyway. Either you will get rich or you will be more disciplined. Number 6. Divided the money you are going to spend throughout the month right into 4 parts. Everything that's left from the 7-day budget will go to the money box too. Number 7. Put off any non-urgent purchases for a month. If you still intend to buy it, after that, do it. This will conserve you from impulsive shopping, which can damage any budget. Number 8. Always make a shopping list before you go to the grocery store. This item of guidance is as old as the hills, but who follows it? Kakeibo fans do, as well as it works for them. You possibly wonder why the most technically advanced nation keeps writing things down instead of putting everything on an app. Fumiko Chiba says that Kakeibo makes you concentrate on your financial goals better than any digital device. Research reveals that we remember something we have written down much better than something entered on a keyboard. The writing process activates a part of the brain that lets the information pass directly into memory. Typing does not do that. Our hands work automatically. That's what motor memory is almost everlasting. If you wish to learn Japanese or French or any other language, it's best to write down new words. If you miss that step, they will leave your memory as quickly as you close your laptop. Writing makes the process personal. We internalize everything we write by hand. It becomes more important to us. So, that describes why high-tech apps might not work as well as an old-fashioned pen and notebook. As you see, the Japanese strategy of budgeting is simple as well as practical. Hundreds of thousands of people around the world have become better off following the Kakeibo strategy. Do you want to try it too, or you prefer digital methods? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new from today's video, give this video a like and share it with your friends and family. If you want to check out more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.